Hello guys, welcome to Coding Samurai. In this video, we will discuss the basic introduction of Java programming language and its applications and why we use Java. Introduction of Java. Java is a popular programming language created in 1995 by James Gosling. It is owned by Oracle and more than 3 billion devices run Java. It is used for mobile applications, especially Android applications, desktop applications, web applications, games, database connections, and much more. Why use Java? Java works on different platforms like Windows, Macs, Linux, etc. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It has a large demand in the current job market. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is open source and free. It is secure, fast and powerful. It has a huge community support. Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development cost.